Well, thank you for joining me on this question. I'm going to be looking specifically at question 4C in exercise 1B, which says determine the first term, which we don't know, and the common difference, which I'll just say D, of the arithmetic sequence that are generated by each of the following nth term. Now, the nth term formula for this question is 6 minus 11n. Well, we can get the nth term we can get the first term simply by letting n equals 1. So we substitute a 1 here, a 1 here, and we will get the first term is 6 minus 11 times 1. So it's 6 minus 11, which is negative 5. So our first term is negative 5. Now let's get our common difference. And there is a formula for common difference. It is the second term minus the first term, or there are other ways to do it. Let's just do it by finding the second term firstly, then I'll show you another way. So if we get the second term, we'll put a 2 in for n. So that would be the second term is 6 minus 11 times 2. So it's 6 minus 22. So that is that 16, negative 16? Okay, so if it's negative 16, then we can substitute to get our common difference. It's the second term, negative 16, take away the first term, which is negative 5, and so we've got negative 16 plus 5, which is negative 11. Well, there is our common difference, therefore, common difference is negative 11. Now, I'll just show you a little bit more of a general idea here. We could take the n plus 1th term and subtract the nth term. And this is another way of doing it. It's the next term minus the term before it. Now, we already know what the nth term is, and it's 6 minus 11n. However, what is the nth plus 1th term? So let's just do this. N plus 1 equals the first term plus n plus 1 minus 1 times d. And that is, actually, no, we'll put it n plus 1 into our formula. So we'll go, let's do this here. So if our general formula, let's get this, if our general formula is 6 minus 11n, then our n plus 1th term is 6 minus 11 times n plus 1. Now let's have a look at this math here. We could then get 6 minus 11n minus 11. So we get negative 5 minus 11n. So negative 5 minus 11n. And that is a general formula for the next term. If this is the n plus 1th, if this is the nth term, then this is the n plus 1th term. And then you subtract those and we get negative 5 minus 11n minus 6 plus 11n. And then you can cancel this to get our final result, negative 11. So therefore, D equals negative 11. Just thought I'd show it to you. So whether you like just finding the second term and subtract the first term, or you might like to find the n plus 1th term and then subtract the nth term. Both ways will get you common difference. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.